The simplest way to add a YouTube video to your Weebly website is to go to the Build page and then use the YouTube tool, which is under the Media heading. So if we create a new page, or in this case a new post as I'm using one of the blogging templates, click on the YouTube button and drag it onto the page. Click anywhere on the window and you can then put in the URL of the YouTube video that you want to show on the page. You've got some formatting options here. You can position it left, right or centre. You can add some spacing above or below the video. And you can also change its size. There is another tool that you can use, but this is only available to premium users. In other words, users who've taken out a paid-for Weebly plan rather than the free one. And this will give you an unbranded video player. So in other words, without all the YouTube graphics that you can see at the bottom here. Keep in mind that the YouTube app within the page builder only works for YouTube and will not work with Vimeo. To display content directly from Vimeo on your Weebly page, you'll need to go to the App Store and buy something like the responsive Vimeo app, which works in a very similar way to the YouTube app that I've just demonstrated.